Happy holidays. In today's video, we're going to talk about best gifts to buy your blind friend, uncle, auntie in 2020 that your girl thinks of.
It will always be Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me, doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline.
In today's video, we're going to discuss the best gifts to buy someone that is blind, visually impaired in 2020. So, alright, obviously I don't know like what every blind person would like, right? So I literally just went through many lists on Google and tried to see what would like be amazing gift for blind people, and then I X'd out like the items that probably wouldn't be the best gift for someone that is blind or visually impaired. So if you're new, my name's Leah, Ability Mom of 2 Vlogs. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and I'm legally blind from something called Leber's Hereditary Optic Neuropathy, and let's talk about it. So Christmas is right around the corner, and I put together, so sometimes it's hard to figure out what type of gift to get somebody that is visually impaired. Like, I know there's a huge struggle with a lot of people I know that are close to me, and they're like, hey Leah, like, is this useful for you or is it not? Like, I love the people that actually ask and they try to learn how to be, like, what is accessible for me and what I do enjoy and don't enjoy. You know what I mean? So, 2020, some things that I know, I appreciate technology, okay? So in 2020, technology has like been so helpful for people that are blind, visually impaired. First thing, electronics. Electronics have gone so far to make things very helpful for the blind and visually impaired. I'm going to name a couple things and maybe you can think, oh, well, let me see if they have that, right? With Christmas around the corner, technology is blind VIP's best friend. So, AirPods. Get them some AirPods if they don't got some AirPods. One cool thing that I know AirPods do, if they lose one of the wireless sets, like I always hear people like, oh, like, I don't want to buy them the AirPods because they might lose a piece. Well, there is a feature on there that will help you find your AirPod. So, headphones, specifically AirPods, are amazing. Apple Watch. Y'all, I got an Apple Watch this year and I will never go without one again. Like, it has made a life change in my life. So obviously what I like isn't going to be what everybody else that's blind, visually impaired would like, but I'm just getting ideas. You know what I mean? Next thing, how about wireless chargers? So like some type of wireless dock that will charge if they're Android. Make sure you know if they're Android or Apple, like something that will connect a lot of their devices. That is very helpful for me because I always have so many different devices that need charging. That's awesome. How about a talking thermometer? I need to get one. I haven't got one. I know like life will be so much easier if I did have one. A Ring doorbell. A Ring doorbell. I have a Ring doorbell. So let's talk about it. I live in my house, like my husband works, so I'm home a lot. And I love the aspect of me being able to talk to the person on the other side of my front door, and instead of having to open my door to see who's on the other side, because I can't see through peepholes, you know? So with having my Ring doorbell, it has like made me feel more comfortable in my home. And if you guys have more questions of different things of like that when it comes down to household safety things, I might specifically do a video on something like that later on. All right, next, my robot vacuum. That right there has been life-changing as well. Everything's life-changing. My gosh. My RoboVac, because what I really love about it, I can control it through the app, for one. Two, there are things, I have 2 kids, okay? So little toys on the floor, like there's things on the floor, to dog things on the floor, you know what I mean? It doesn't pick up a lot of things, but it makes me aware, like, that there's a wrapper on my floor that it probably couldn't pick up, but it let me know. It beeped and was like, warning, warning. It like lets me know, hey, you need to go clean your floor because something right here, I can't pick it up, but you can. Next, a Kindle. If they don't have a Kindle, get them a Kindle if they're big readers, but most people that are blind, visually impaired, they probably, if they're readers, they probably have something that they're using already. If you don't want to get a Kindle, Kindles, like they are accessible for the blind. But Audible, get them a subscription at Audible or a Netflix subscription. There's so many different ways of like giving gifts to the blind that makes our life a little easier. Go ahead and get them like a Uber gift card. Like, we love Uber. Uber has been so helpful for me during the pandemic. The other day I woke up, you're not gonna believe it, I woke up and I was like, oh my, there's no coffee. I ran out of coffee. That's okay, don't worry, Dunkin' is right down the road. So I Uber Eats me some coffee, and y'all, I probably paid $15 for it to get to the house with donuts for the kids. And so they won and I won, and it didn't cost me a lot of money. So we love Uber. Like that's really helped me and my enjoyment in life. Another, a towel mate. So towel mates are awesome. Towel mates are cool. Like, you can put towel mates on your devices. You can put them on your keys. Like, I don't drive, but I still have house keys. You can put it on your purse. You can put it on your cane, and you can connect it to your phone and all these, like, your other devices to find them when you've lost it. So I can connect it and be like, hey, help me find my phone. And I'm wording that a certain way because, you know, we have things that listen around here. Another gift, if it's a girl, you can do makeup. So even though we're blind, visually impaired, we still like the girly things. Well, some of us, right? But I would suggest, unless you know for sure, to stick to like natural colors. A lot of us blind women struggle with blending because we don't see the colors. So we like to play it a little safer with doing just natural colors. Like today, the colors I got on my eyes, I don't know, red. I was trying to go and make a little Christmassy look, but when you don't see the color, it's a struggle, y'all. So if I look a mess, if makeup's everywhere, don't judge. Just say, hey, don't worry, Leah, I'll send you some natural makeup. If y'all send me some natural makeup, just put in there like, Leah, stick to this. I would avoid giving gifts of pictures unless you see that they enjoy them things. But usually, like me, I don't really appreciate pictures as much as somebody that is visual. But you could always get one of these hand cast moldings. You can get these in so many different places. This thing is dusty. It's always on my desk. But I love this because I can feel my family's hands. So there's different, you could do this with hands. I've seen people do it with their baby's shoes, to different things like that. So that is an awesome gift for somebody that is blind, visually impaired, because they can feel the molding. So I can feel my baby's hand, my husband's hand. Zane's hand's not in there because he decided to pull it out during the casting. But eventually I'll have a molding of Zane's hand too. But yeah, molding, get a hand cast. I'll put the links down below if I can find some of the stuff. Another thing, an Echo Dot, Alexa, a Google Home, any of them things. I have tons of them in so many different rooms, but I would like one in every single room in my house. So if anybody decided to gift me one of those, I would still appreciate it because you can never have too many. I like it where I can go in every room and not have to worry about it. But the reason I'm saying that, if you think they already have one, that's fine. Get them another one. I'm sure they appreciate it. Alright, y'all. I just want to do a quick video. If y'all have any questions, also, if you're blind and visually impaired, if you have any advice of gifts that somebody should gift someone that is blind, visually impaired, comment down below. Let them know some extra ideas. Alright, y'all. I hope you'll have a blessed holiday. And if you have any questions, let me know. God bless and deuces, y'all. Deuces.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times.